Hello humans and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video. Got a pretty sweet giveaway going and you don't want to miss out. Okay, hitting the road this weekend. Got to clean out the fridge. This is what I ate today. First, got to caffeinate it up. Little Starbucks Mocha Frappuccino, but without all the stuff they put in theirs. Super easy, half pot of coffee, a little bit of oat milk, some cacao powder, and some vegan powdered sugar. Make sure you get the vegan kind. Alright, now we're caffeinated up. Let's get our energy levels up. Oranges, bananas, protein. Remember these little bits right here? We made those Egg McMuffins. We're going to take those little bits that I told you to save. We're going to add it with the leftover squash from this. A little bit of onion, a little bit of turmeric, a little salt and pepper, and burritos. Boom. Wrap them up and you're ready to go. Remember this guy? Because we made these little guys. Alright, we're going to chop that whole head up. We're going to add a bunch of other stuff to it, and we got a quick, easy salad for the road, guys. This is all super easy. Don't leave stuff to rot in your fridge. Let's get to the giveaway. Doug Kitchen 101. This book is super awesome. Giving it away at the 500 subscriber mark. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're going to do a lot of these videos. We're going to do a lot of fun stuff. We're going to give away a lot of fun stuff. We're going to learn to talk. Goodbye.